What's up, everybody? Welcome back. The issue with the E46 still continues. At first, I thought it was the fuel pump, and the second guess was maybe water in the tank. But check engine light came on. Sloppy acceleration. This can only lead to one thing. When I read the code, Vanos. All right, so let me show you guys why I thought it was like water in the tank. Sometimes right in here, there's a drain that gets clogged. And water, when this gets clogged, water goes into the trunk, and there was a bunch of water inside the battery place over there, or whatever it is. So I drained all that water, and I was thinking to myself, like, maybe some of that water got in the tank. It's not possible. What I did is I went and picked me up this little bad boy right here, which is the Vanos Solenoid pack. Upon further research, YouTube University, I found out that once the car starts to throw codes, the Vanos Solenoid pack is most likely the issue. Okay. This is the Vanos unit right here. And right underneath of it is where the solenoid pack goes. So we just have to remove like 5 screws. Remove this, replace it, drive it around for a bit, and hopefully this fixes the problem. Belts. I'm going in here, boy.
Zip ties. Oh. Zip ties. Huh? What the heck was that? Oh, here we go. Yeah, I gotta figure out what the heck I'm telling what it does. What? And here it is. Look at that.
You can tell the old rings on them are terrible.
I don't know what it's doing.
And here's the old unit. It's got some oil on it. This thing is bad. Look how terrible that looks. And right in here, these pores get clogged, and that's what causes all those check engine light. Causes all the check engine light issues. The rough acceleration, all that type of stuff. Also here you can look, you can see that the O-rings are just terrible. Well, let's get the new one in.
Alright guys, I'm gonna have to put this back in. Just don't. Just don't. I'm not going to. I'm not going to. I'm not going to.
Plug this back in. This connector is terrible, but we gotta work with what we have. So back in you go. Okay, so out with the old, in with the new. I found out that the connector to the solenoid pack is messed up. So let's see if I can find another connector for the solenoid pack. One more thing, the wheels. I just put these wheels on. I don't like it. So new wheels on the way. I keep going through wheels. They're like Jordans. What else? I mean, you just gotta keep getting. That's it, guys. See you guys in the next one. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. I'm gonna drive the car around for a little bit, see if I can get this new pack working.